guys, happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is from March the 12th through March the 18th. And I'm back on my classic movies theme, and I love it. And this movie is going to be based on Footsteps in the Fog. I am so excited. I found this paper. It kind of reminded me of how fog would look. I really wanted like a mottled, like a smoky, foggy look, but I couldn't find it, so I thought this would work really nice. And then this is kind of like, because it's set back in old England, and something you would see in their houses. And also, the women, they're just so feminine, and I thought this looked really pretty. And then I chose this washi. This reminds me of the steps that he takes to lead to disaster, and the schemes that he comes up with, and it looks like little plots put together as his brain is coming up with it. And then I'm just using a black Papermate pen from the Dollar Tree. So let me take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad everybody liked my little owls. They are so adorable. Okay, we'll cut our paper, and I've decided that I want the dominant theme to be this beautiful floral paper. I love it. It's so pretty. And I found both of these, I believe, were at Michael's. I was at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, so I'm not sure where. But they had a sale on their paper. This paper is pretty thick, this gray, this silverish gray, and it's double-sided, and it has a little bit of a sheen to it. Okay, let's lay our paper down how we like it. But this is a thriller. It's very good, and it has a lot of twists and turns in it, and it's an old British classic. I love it. So if you haven't seen it, I don't want to tell you a lot about it, but let's just say that he wants rid of his wife. He goes about getting rid of his wife. Let's put the paper down now. And then he gets blackmailed, so he has to do something. And Stuart Granger and Gene Simmons are in it. Okay, I think that's going to look really nice. Okay, let's put our washi down. I'm definitely going to use this that reminds me of steps at the very bottom. So I'm going to put this down. Okay, I really do like this on the bottom, so I'm going to hop over here and put this over here. All right, and I think I will put this up through here. But to me, this just looked like him scheming and coming up with ideas. And the different paths that he could take, but he chooses a very bad path. But it really is a good movie. Okay, I like that. And then I think I'm going to take this and go right down through here. I like that, okay? Now I'm going to put my stickers down that I made. And some of them are kind of dark. The movie is in color. This just says Footsteps in the Fog. And I'm just going to stick it right up here in the corner. And then this is a sticker of him. This is his wife's portrait, and after he kills her, he's sort of giving a toast to her because she was very wealthy. Okay, and then this is him scheming. Well, not scheming. This is him after he has to take care of a little problem that's popped up, namely the maid. And here's the maid. Okay, and here he's threatening the maid. And then over here, the maid has some of his wife's jewelry on now. And Jean Simmons plays the maid. She really does a good job. And she really does love him. That's the sad part. Then this is a new girl that is very wealthy, and he's decided that he is in love with her for her money. And this is a picture of the maid seeing him kiss this girl. And then this is during the trial where the maid has to testify. And this is the end, and I won't tell you how it ends, but that is the maid, Gene Simmons, leaning up against his leg. Okay? Alright, I like that pretty well. So let me write some things that I need to do. Okay. Let's put it back in my planner. I'm going to have to take some of these other earlier last year's pages out because they have the dimensional stickers and it's getting kind of full. Okay, I really love how this all turned out. I love the paper and the pictures and that washi. But I also printed out another sticker and just showing how thick the fog was. And I'm going to be putting that right about in here. And I think it really is going to add to the spread. I really like it. And plus, if I want, I can write on the back of it. But this is how my spread turned out. And if you get a chance, check this movie out. It's really a good movie. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.